We'll still be people streaming in, I'm going to run a poll just to let me know, is this your first time here? Okay, so please do, everyone do put it in. Of course, I do see a lot of familiar faces as well. Welcome back. So get everybody do put in a poll. Okay, I've seen there's someone who's new here. So let me tell you more about what we do. We have a daily webinar where Jin will be walking through his thoughts and ideas for very specific currency each day. Monday, the Aussie New Zealand, Tuesday, Euro, Wednesday, the pound, Thursday, gold and yen, Friday, Canadian dollar as well. So today it's a today is a Wednesday, Tuesday. So we'll be talking about the euro. Sorry, I lost track of the dates as well already. So Jin will be talking about the euro pairs as he will be taking us through different time frames. The webinar is going to be very beneficial for those who are long-term investors or short-term traders. During this session, Jin will be going through what could move prices, possible trade ideas, highlight potential targets and risks. However, a disclaimer, any information shared during this session is not intended to be a trade recommendation. It is solely the opinion and views of the speaker. So please remember to do your own analysis prior to entering any trades. For those who are new here, my name is Daniel. I've known Jin for many years, first as a student in LCMs Traders and now as a business partner in Forex Briefcase. Jin runs LCMs Traders, where this club is all about training and it's conducted the training to get traders to be consistent and profitable. And of course, the Forex Briefcase is a managed account services where Jin trades an EUR more than $9.5 million on a daily basis for you to have your passive income. Jin is also invited to speak on many stages globally. And in fact, one of the reasons you may be here is because you have attended one of his various events. Recently, he has also been invited on Money FM, a Singapore finance radio talk show, to give his views on what's happening on the Forex market. But before I talk about give pass to Jin, I would like to tell you more about LCMs Traders Club, where it's a private and closed group. Right, so let me share the LCMs Traders Club. Where is my page? Could you give me a minute? I can't seem to find my Facebook.
No minute for you. No minute do it now. No minute. No minute.
Okay. Getting there. So sorry. Okay, let me share. Got it here. Okay. Okay, so for those who are new here, this is the LCMs Traders Club, where you can see, one of the various benefits you have is you can join us, your Trader Club members. You can join the competition together. It's a Sam Trade FX Traders Challenge, where the top prize of every month is a US $2,000. So as you trade and you're doing very well, you could actually earn the top prize. So we do encourage you to join us here as right. So not only that, you can look at all the benefits here we have under the popular topics. We have a lot of things coming in. We have all the daily analysis. In this club, we give you the daily analysis where you link to the Forex Trading Asia and to get looks at all the information today for various pairs or what's happened and what could you possibly do. And those who are from the Telegram signals, you can see that, excuse me, so you can see that we first, although issue the signals in the Telegram, but we first issue it in LCMs Traders Club. And not only do we issue first in the LCMs Traders Club, we also give you the analysis. You can see here the analysis of what was the reason and why we decided to enter at a specific price, and also why do we buy or to sell. And you can see that in Telegram, you can see those who have a take profit 1, 2, 3, which we will see here. You can actually notice that we actually tell you when you reach TP1 or TP2 or TP3, of course TP3 we close. TP or TP2, do we suggest to close the trade, and what's the reason, or do we continue to hold the trade? So it's really very important and very beneficial in LCMs Trader Club members have to do this, right? Okay, and then let me go back home. And then if you need to scroll down here, of course, those who, LCMS Traders Club members, remember, if you are on this Friday, we have NFP live trading sessions. Those are members here. You also can join for live trading sessions together with Jin to see how does he trade NFP and how we can make money together. You can also, a lot of questions being asked by the members, you can go ahead and ask anything related. We will respond. And not only that, the coaches and students actually put trade ideas here. You can put even the members, students, or anyone, or those who are a member, you can post your trade idea here, where you can put it up. We can actually have a form of discussion where the community here at LCMS Traders Club will come together and tell you it's a good idea, bad idea, or what kind of analysis is it a really good stuff. So you can see Jonathan here with the euro pound. The coaches here, he actually gave an idea what's happening in the euro pound and what should you be waiting to take a trade, or to possible what kind of deal you should wait and take a trade as well. Now in Kenneth, Kenneth Tan will actually on the Facebook Live almost every evening to tell us what happened in a day and also give you trade ideas, and looking at trade ideas, what you could do for the trade during the US Open market open. And you can see a lot of discussions during that time. And not only beneficial to that, we have a lot of tutorials here where various setups, support and resistance, trends, or teaching you various ways to trade Forex profitably. You can see that. So if you click on tutorial videos, you could see lots of discussions here as well during the Wednesday's call. On Wednesdays, I will actually help you, bring you through various trading setups. Like in this case, we have just 16th of September, we had a regular divergence discussion to spot about the reversal trade ideas, how you enter, where you exit. We also have like pin bar, inside bar, and a couple of questions as well. In fact, we also hosted a Q&A sessions just for the LCMS Traders Club members to answer all their questions they have in terms of trading, so to help the members in this community to do much better. Okay, so not only that, we also have on Monday evenings with Jin going live going through what kind of trade ideas for the whole week, just for members alone. What does he see? What does he see in the market? What trade ideas? He just tells you everything so you can prepare on Monday, to prepare for the whole week from Monday to Friday how to trade. So it's going to be very beneficial to everyone here. So how do you get onto the LCMS Traders Club? It's very simple. I'm pretty sure that a link will be pasted onto the chat group, but all you got to do is the tradersclub.lcms.com.sg. You will come to the webpage. As I mentioned, a lot of things, good things I've mentioned. You have a lot of members here coming in, letting us know that they have used very well on this LCMS Traders Club and become very profitable. I already mentioned about the video tutorials, trade signals, signal analysis, chart analysis as well. And most importantly, weekly and daily live call with Jin. You have to listen to it to know and prepare yourself on trading. Okay, how do you join this? You just got to click. It's either a $49 US a month, or even a better deal, saving you money. We have offered a $199 US a year, and that's only about 50 cents a day. Just to, in fact, I have students and members coming back to us telling that for $199, we're following the trade signals, the trade ideas around. They have already more than recovered this US $199 a year. And all you need to do is to click onto it, give us register your name, contact number, and sign up, and we will get back to you. So that's how great LCMS Traders Club it is. So before I pass over to Jin, let me run one more poll to let me know. Let me end this poll here, and I'm going to run another poll on how do you get to know this webinar. It's going to be very beneficial for us if you could let us know. So we have people from Facebook Live, Telegram, club members who are welcome back, email registrations as well, and fresh share. So, you know, if you do have maybe friends or families who do trade Forex, do encourage them to attend this 11 a.m. currency call or join the L Traders Club. It's going to be very beneficial for you in preparation of your Forex trading. So without further ado, let me pass over now to Jin. He'll let you know more about the Euro pairs.
Okay. Someone just sent me a message saying that introduction about LCMs Traders Club is probably going to take longer than my analysis of the euro, and it's probably true, right? It's probably right, because there's not much happening this week, all the way leading up towards the non-farm payroll on Friday evening. So if you are okay, give me a reaction. Are you going to be joining us live trading Friday evening, 8:30 non-farm payroll? Put a yes or no in the Zoom chat. I know you're happy to give me a thumbs up, but put a yes or a no in the Zoom chat. If you haven't already, if you don't know what's happening, then you need to join the club. You need to join the club so that you can join us live for non-farm payroll. Great. Some people are just super lazy, put in a why. You know, I don't know whether you're asking me a question or you're asking why should you join, or you're saying yes, but fine. I will not answer that question. Looking at Jason and Jonathan with the Y and a K. The Y and the K. All right. So tonight is day 2 of the day 3 of the 4-day program, going through the technicals, looking at charts, looking at trends, support, resistance, candlesticks, indicators, putting it all together so that we head towards day 4, where we can piece everything together and get you started with your trades. All right, I know most of you are already club members and also attending the 4-day program. So if you have any issues, make sure you have your MP4 setup done. Make sure you have the templates in there, the indicators in there as well. If you have any issues, reach out to Daniel. I'm just going to arrow Daniel. Reach out to Daniel and in the club, and he can sort it out, get you installed and ready to go tonight. It will be a bit more of a hands-on session, so you need to make sure that you got everything set up. All right, good. Let's go. Now, what am I doing? Traders Club? No, you already know about Traders Club. I'm not going to tell you about that. Okay, so Forex Trading Asia, again, if you have not joined already, make sure you head to forextradingasia.com, get all the news there, register for an account, get 100 points. This 100 points is going to be for a limited time only. I've just told the guys to reduce those points down, so make sure you sign up soon, ASAP, to take advantage of this 100 points. So how you use Forex Trading Asia, jump onto that. You can go onto the analysis section and read all the analysis, get a bit more information. Look, you don't even have to listen to what am I going to tell you. Now you can even go Euro US slightly recovers but remains bearish. Hey, that's my analysis done for today. Okay, that's all you need to know about Euro US. Recovered slightly but remains bearish. Okay, it's that straightforward. If you cannot catch my 11 o'clock call, you can always head onto this and read all the info that every pair that we have, Aussie sell trades, Aussie aims, bear aims, all that in there. Okay, so analysis in there on Forex Trading Asia. If you want to get more news that I always look at, head to the economic calendar, scroll down, and you see all the news. One thing you will note is that there are not a lot of news items which are big impact or going to be significant impact, especially within that pyramid that I was sharing with you last week. Okay, so you know now which news I pay attention to. for which countries, which ones I think are going to be big impact, which ones I think are not going to be doing much. Look, casting our mind back to yesterday's Aussie and New Zealand, we have Chinese manufacturing PMI numbers coming on Wednesday morning, 9 a.m. What do you think that's going to impact? All right, I'm pretty sure you know already because we went through that yesterday. Nothing much else. We have some pound news. I'll tell you about that tomorrow. Euro news, not going to do too much. Nothing super exciting. Some US GDP numbers coming out on Thursday, I think. Yep, on Wednesday night. Where is it? Wednesday night, US GDP numbers coming out. And then Thursday, again, nothing super interesting. All the way to Friday, non-farm payrolls. Okay, so sometimes you will come across a situation where there's not much economic news to drive prices in significantly higher or significantly lower. So how you want to look at this is when you start looking at the charts, you don't always have to have a economic driver to push prices. You don't have to always wait for a news for prices to move a lot higher or a lot lower. Sometimes it can be driven just based on technical reasons. Okay, so the last time we spoke about the Euro US, I'll zoom in one more. The last time we spoke about Euro US last week, we said that at this point, it looks like it could, if it does go up, it could test this level. If it doesn't and it does break down, it breaks lower, might test this line again before coming back down. Scary brown lines, the way we draw it is tracing exactly along those brown lines. I haven't moved it. You can go check the previous videos. It traced along this brown line, went up, test this resistance of 1.1716, and then traced down lower again towards 1.1641 or 1.1640. Hit that support level, bounce back up. At this point now, like the analysis that we've shared on Forex Trading Asia, there is some recovery in the Euro US dollar. However, it still looks like it's going to be bearish. At this point now, if it doesn't break above 1.1680, if it struggles to, don't enter a trade. If it struggles to break above 1.1680, we're possibly going to see another downward move. So I'm going to put that line there, 1.1680, about there. It probably will hit that level and bounce around on this line before turning back down. Okay, so what's probably going to happen is it's going to do that and then turn back down. Okay, that's scenario one. Scenario two is that it could even go a bit higher. I don't think it'll go towards 1.1716, possibly even test 1.17, and then after that turn back down. Okay, so in this region, as it goes up, as you see the Euro US dollar go up, don't be tempted to buy. I know sometimes you'll be looking at it going, oh, you know, I could just take 5 or 10 pips or even 15 pips upwards. Don't be too tempted to buy the Euro US upwards. Look for it to go up, turn back down, and sell below 1.1680. At this point, you could be looking at a 30 pip stop loss for a good 60 pip, even maybe 60 pip take profit level, 1:2. Okay, this is on H4 time frame, 1:2, 30 risk, 60 take profit. That would be a good trade downwards, but it will need time because you will probably see the Euro US move up slightly, test. It will tempt you. It will tell you, you know, look to buy, tempt you to buy. But you know, the moment you click buy on the Euro US, it's going to drop like a rock. Okay, so sit, wait, be patient, have that set up. I see my sped up MACDs flattening out a little bit. Volume seems to be dropping a little bit. It does look like it's going to test this level before turning back down. Okay, I am explaining a little bit more about my sped up MACD, getting a bit more into the technical details of resistance level, how it's going to hit and turn down. All that I'll be doing more in detail tonight. Tonight at 7 o'clock, we're starting, going into details of how to look at trend, which is this long-term thing going down. Okay, trend, following trend going down. Support resistance, which is this level, which is resistance level. And then indicators telling you when to look to know whether it's likely to turn back down or whether it's going to continue moving up. Make sure if you listen to this, you might know what's happening, you might not know what's happening. Make sure you turn up for tonight's day 3, Technical Tuesday. Let's call it Technical Tuesday. Technical Tuesday, guiding you through all the technical aspects of day 3. Okay, that's Euro US. On Euro Pound, you can see that, I'll take this line away. You can see that the last time we spoke about it, we said it's going to move across. It went down, broke below 9122, tested 9033. This is why your lines are so important. Okay, this is why indicators are so important. Oh, show me one more. This is why indicators are so important. It tells you, this red arrow tells you exactly when not to sell. Right? Because if you sold there, it looks like you would have made money, but it also would mean that at this point you'll be losing money if you didn't close your trade. So I'm telling you, I'll be able to tell you when it's too late to get into a trade. Okay, all that we have provided to you at the 4-day course. At this point now, Euro Pound looks like it is going to retest. It looks like it's going to retest the 9122 level. It's possibly going to retest the 9122 level. Maybe not all the way come close towards that region before a possible downward move again. Again, retesting that resistance level of 9122 and then turning back down. I'm not keen on the Euro Pound. I'll be more interested. I think the Euro US has more likelihood of going up and turning back down compared to the Euro Pound because of what's happening on the Pound US dollar. Looks like it's possibly going to start turning back down. I'll tell you more in detail tomorrow, but it looks like it's going to start turning down. If Pound US dollar comes down, what's going to happen to the Euro Pound? Pound US dollar comes down, what's going to happen to the Euro Pound? Possibly going to go up, right? Possibly going to go up. So that's why I think that it might go up. I'm not sure whether it'll reject 9122 and turn down. Something to be careful of. But Euro US is trending, is moving quite nicely to test this resistance region before possibly turning back down for that 30 risk 60 profit level. Okay, so with that said, make sure you turn up for tonight's session, 7 p.m. GMT plus 8. If you have any other questions, please put them into the groups, Traders Club, or into the 4-day course groups on Facebook, and I'll pass it back to Daniel.
Okay, thank you, Jin, for the good analysis on the Euro pair, Euro USD, and Euro Pound looking slightly bearish. So I just launched a poll on the review. How do you find this session? By the way, a video recording will be uploaded. So thank you for joining these sessions today. Tomorrow it's a Wednesday. So Wednesdays, we'll be talking about the pound pair. So do stay tuned. Come back the same time tomorrow for the pound analysis. If not, thank you very much and goodbye.